This is my first adventure video of 2018. I'm the Tennessee Adventurer, and this is Cummins Falls. Cummins Falls is a nice overlook to go to. The overlook is very easy to get to and it offers a nice view of the waterfall. However, Cummins Falls is also the most dangerous waterfall in Tennessee. More people die there than at any other waterfall each year due to the increased determination to get risky and unbelievably cool selfies. It's true, not an exaggeration. Cummins Falls, the base, is also kind of difficult to get to. You have to hike down this small mountain and then you have to go across this little river. At some parts crossing over the river, going through it. But it's not the longest of hikes. And it's really pretty once you get there. There's a big swimming hole. It's really nice in the summertime. The hardest part of this hike is coming back. Going down there is pretty easy, but coming back, that can be a struggle. Unfortunately, you have to cross all of this to get to the base of Cummins Falls, and it is about 30 degrees, and I'm not dressed to go polar plunging. So, unfortunately, I'm just going to have to get video and see Cummins Falls from the overlook, which is still really, really gorgeous. I got a cool slow motion video I took on the way down that I'm about to have in here. It's been a fun hike and it's been an experience. It's been like walking through a winter wonderland, to be really cliche. Until next time, Tennessee Adventurer signing off.